Okay, we're here today at the Tully site of the Beyond Imidacloprid trials. We're using the GPS to mark out, and we measure down to 2 centimetre points. It's really important to have accurate records of the trials. It also assists with grower compensation, and we also share the data with our phenomics team so they can come back and fly the drone and get some imagery and share with the grower what's going on.
What's the particular advantage of the GPS system?
It's very accurate. It allows us to not just estimate the area that we're compensating the growers for and the area that's the chemicals are being applied to. That GPS is accurate to within 2 centimetres.